Well, hi, it's Keith Weinhold here. Hey, I would like to invite you to join me and the ECI team for a live webinar December 1st at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're talking about one of the most dreamy things I've discussed in a while, tropical tiny homes in Belize, Nicaragua, and Panama. They have an over-the-water style, which is incredible, ones with beach proximity, and then ones in cooler highland communities, more of what I'm used to. And the price points are really affordable. You're going to have a chance to ask questions at the end of the webinar. Again, I'm going to be on it live. I look forward to seeing you then.